Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, August 7. Jamaica's 51st independence celebrations culminated Tuesday with the nation's leaders calling for a recommitment to national goals. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen paid tribute to hard-working Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora and encouraged citizens not to be discouraged by the challenges facing the country.
We must believe that we are uniquely equipped to pursue our bold mission outlined in Vision 2030 of making Jamaica a place where we choose to live, work, raise families, and do business.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller encouraged Jamaicans to treasure independence by uniting to help build the economy and foster a prosperous nation for all.
Let us reconstruct our society so that all Jamaicans can meaningfully participate in the economic life of the nation. Let us ensure that every Jamaican is accorded respect and feels a sense of belonging to our society.
Similar sentiments were shared by the opposition leader, who reiterated that we should commit to building critical sectors of the economy that will lead to growth.
Let us renew our commitment to improving the productivity and efficiency of our economy by ensuring that all our labor force is trained and certified, and that businesses are able to retool and incorporate the latest technology in their production.
And with those thoughts in mind, thousands of Jamaicans turned out at the National Stadium while others watched at home as the annual Grand Gala capped the celebrations. By all indications, the 61st staging of the DENBIGH Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show was a success. The annual event, which began on Sunday, August 4, culminated Independence Day at the DENBIGH Agricultural Showground in Clarendon. Agriculture Minister Roger Clark used the occasion to salute small farmers for their unrelenting and persevering spirit and appealed for them to join the mission to increase exports and reduce the high food import bill. He also asserted that expanding the agricultural sector was critical to Jamaica's economic and social development.
Let us not forget that the agricultural sector contributes approximately 6% of our GDP. Let us not forget that it directly employs over 220,000 Jamaicans and is the mainstay of our rural communities.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller also hailed the island's farmers and commended the Agriculture Ministry and the Jamaica Agricultural Society for their leadership in advancing the Eat Jamaican campaign through increased cultivation. The Prime Minister said this was pivotal to safeguarding the country's food security thrust.
Increased local production, import substitution, and agricultural exports are critical to defeat hunger and malnutrition in the world.
The National Commission on Reparation (NCR) is planning a public education program to educate Jamaicans on the topic. To this end, a $26 million budget has been submitted to the government to fund the work of the organization. Speaking at a recent JIS think tank session, Chairman of the NCR, Professor Vereen Shepherd, said the committee was established to advise the government on the case for reparation and to examine compensation for the descendants of slaves.
Reparation requires addressing social infrastructural problems in education, in health, in the justice system. It must address the inequitable distribution of wealth. It must come in the form of debt write-off and the elimination of racism, which is rooted in the experiences of enslavement.
The Commission will present a report with recommendations to Culture Minister Lisa Hanna, who will then report to Parliament. And finally, residents in 3 parishes will have more access to computers and the Internet following a gift from the Governor General's I Believe initiative. 10 computers were handed over to representatives from the I Believe Wi-Fi centers in Spring Village, St. Catherine, Petersfield, Westmoreland, and Albert Town, Trelawney. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen thanked the Chinese Embassy for donating the computers.
These computers form part of the I Believe initiative to support this model community that works tirelessly to remedy its development problems. The community's work is worthy of emulation across Jamaica.
Through a partnership with Lime, the I Believe initiative established 3 free Wi-Fi centers to help residents of the various communities. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.